Welcome to the Land of House channel. I'm Seth. My Hustler Raptor 42-inch zero-turn mower is not cranking. I think it's one of two issues. Either the battery is dead, which is a pretty easy fix, or the starting solenoid has gone bad, which is also hopefully not too bad of a fix. So let's go ahead and do both of those replacements and see if this mower starts back up. This is what's happening. I usually pull the choke, put the key in, go to start. You can see nothing is happening. I'm thinking dead battery, so let's replace that first. This is a stand-in battery just for demonstration purposes. I've already purchased the other one and returned the core there. So in order to get the battery out of here, first I'm going to just disconnect from the power here. The negative side is kind of hard to get to with a socket, so I'm using some pliers on one side, and then I can use the socket on the other. Now that I have the positive and negative disconnected, I'm going to remove the two threaded rods here that will support the top of this battery. There's no nut holding these onto the bottom, so don't worry about dropping that. Set the wire harness off to the side, pull the old battery out, place the new battery in. With the new battery in place, just go ahead and reinsert the threaded rod there. Reinstall the battery terminal nuts and bolts plus the locking washer. Going to replace this cover over that. Put the seat back over. Let's see if low cranking voltage in amps was our problem here. Nope, that is not the issue. Alright, on to the solenoid. The starter solenoid is found under the seat close to the battery, right over here. So what I want to do first is just disconnect the battery to make sure there's no power going to this thing. Now with the power disconnected, I can reach down here with an extender and hopefully get to these mounting bolts down here. That extension is just right. Remember, there's a black wire that goes around that lower terminal down there. Now this is a 3-wire solenoid, so I need to remove the 2 red leads here, and then there's also one that goes off to the side that I also have to remove here. So there's the old starter solenoid. Now I've got one here that came from Advanced Auto, so it looks the same. I'm just going to be placing this down in here. I'm sorry that working on this mower is not very easy for you to see, but anyway, this is the new solenoid. I'm going to basically put the wires back where I found them. So starting off with this little tiny red one right here is going to go on the top. And then one red wire goes on this side, making sure that I put them back in the correct order. Alright, there's also a small black wire that's going to go down in here. Just going to make sure I get that reinserted. And the last step is to reconnect the battery. Here's a close-up look of the starter solenoid down there. So the black wire goes onto that terminal on the far left, and then the front 2 have the red wires. Now keep in mind that the fused wire goes on the right here. Now let's see if the starter solenoid was our issue. Once again, gonna get my key in here, pull the choke. Alright, there we go. Replacing a 5-year-old battery that was pretty much dead, and then also replacing the starter solenoid has fixed the issue. If you've enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.